Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Let's take a tour of this plant room. We've got some domestic cold water storage tanks, air handling unit for the main swimming pool. What do we have up here? We have a Trend AHU4, that's air handling unit 4, recuperator damper. Okay, so recoup damper. What's this? Okay, we've got more dampers up there. The model, I'm not sure what model those are. I think probably the same model here. So it's Trend again. Lovely. Have you worked on any of those? And then we've got here bag filter, DPS, differential pressure switch, panel filter, differential pressure switch. What is that set to actually? About 200. What is this one? Just about almost 200. Great, okay. And these high efficiency filters. Okay, and then there's one up there with the tube off. And then this here is a Danfoss reheat core. Got a valve there, a Vinder point. I don't have any Vinder point adapters. There's some water down here. We've got an inverter. I'm not sure what kind of inverter this is. A Honeywell, what is this? HVAC 400. That sounds like a good name, HVAC 400, if that's the name of it. Honeywell Smart Drive HVAC. It's a good name. I like when people come up with good names for things. Just on there it says Trend. Alright, and we've got the isolators, the typical. What we've got around here. Cold water storage tank. Booster sets here. We've got an expansion vessel. There are 3 different booster pumps, 5-bar pump, and it's telling me, look, it's telling me we've got, it's showing you when the pumps are working. Can you see? When they're off and so on, it's telling you which ones are off. Water softener by Water King. I'm not sure how that works. Do you know how it works? Water conditioner. All right. And then what's plugged in over here? I'm not sure what that is. What is this? Some form of jockey pump or something like this? What is it connected to? Up into here, and then that goes cold water boost, boosted cold water service. So that's on here. Okay, not sure what this is all about. That goes around here and then goes over there. Where does it go? And it runs under there, and maybe over here. Expansion vessel. What else do we have inside here? I wonder what make those pumps are. Danfoss. What is this here? Okay. Right, alright, well, these look like, I don't think I've heard of these clarifiers. Cetafirm. Okay. And then got plate to plates on them. Plate to plates. This one said it's got a fault. And then this is like a cylinder stack. And got a pump down here. And then a 4-way valve there. A salter. It's the actuator, and then there's the valve. Okay, and then the same thing on that side. PRV, nice big PRV. Okay, expansion vessels. We've got the valves here. Again, another valve. I think, yeah, that one's still got the handle down there. All right, we've got more air handling units here. This says AHU5 training pool, so air handling unit. So this heats up the, obviously warms up the part of the building, and they've got these lights as well in here that you can turn on, and then you can see inside. Sometimes the bulbs don't get changed. And then we've got trend actuators and the hertz. Okay. All right, what have we missed? We probably missed something. Watch out for these. Could fall over. Whoa! Almost fell over. I thought I was fixed to the ground. It wasn't. I'm not sure what that is over there. Any idea what you reckon that is? It looks like it's connected to the fire panel. I saw red cables coming off of it. Oh, nice, a safety mat. That's what you need on these panels, especially when you've got 400 volts. Okay, the pool and so on. What have we got on this panel? Oh, nice lights. Somebody's tripped. The pool, heating pump on this one. Anything tripped? I don't see anything tripped. Safety circuit. We've got the fire safety circuit up there, and you can reset it. Not every panel has that. All right, what else do we have in there? It's got some belts for the air handling unit. I've changed some belts at some point. Where's the size? Where's the size? Was that the size there? Looks like the size of it. This one got mullered. All right. I'm not going to look inside the BMS panel. They've got filters up here ready. It's not trip, expansion vessels. Should we look at a picture of these drawings? Wowza. Okay, that's it going around the building. All right, let's go and look inside here, where we find my tool bag on the floor, and we've got 8 boilers. For some reason they've numbered the boilers, or the cases at least, say 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to invest the 2 forts on these boilers. I just wanted to do a quick recce of this plant room, and you're doing it with me. 3 expansion vessels, and these are Weissman. I think they're Weissman Vital Crossels. And then what is this? I've never seen one of these sensorless things before. What is this? Did anyone see one of these before? What kind of thing do we have on it? AHU heating pump, but what is this? I've not seen one of these before. IVS series, intelligent variable speed. Okay, what pump do we have? We have a Danfoss pump. I like when they have gauges either side of the pump, especially when the gauges work and you know if the pump is operating and so on. I mean, you can see from the impellers, but it's nice to see when you see a difference in the pressure on the suction side and the other side. What is this now? Eco Opti drive. It must be an inverter. Okay. And then over here, what do we have? Blah, 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 blah. It looks like the previous people, that's the previous company on there. Trend A400 series. Okay. Right, this has got a fault on it. There's 2 boilers with a fault on it, but I'm going to investigate that in a moment. And we've got the solenoid here. Sometimes I get tongue-tied, or sometimes I even say, I think I've said something and I've actually said something else when I mean to say something, so forgive me. Evo Plus, DAB. And this is the back of the boilers. It all looks good at least. There's no signs of their problems with the flue. It's nice when it's designed and there's no problems within a few years. Expansion vessel here. I'm assuming inside here is like a plate heat exchanger. And also over here, another plate to plate. It's got a good jacket on it. Then behind here, there's loads of pumps again behind the boilers. These look like the shunt pumps behind the boilers. And everything's laboured up and lagged pretty well. All looks good. Right. To me, it looks like the flues have some form of damper on them. That's kind of interesting. Loads of ventilation in here, low and high. And this looks like some form of CHP. Well, CHP, combined heat and power or something like that, isn't it? Oh, yep, that's right. Okay, lovely. Is it even working? Maybe. We've got a Flamco pressurization unit here, you know, the MIDI 125D. Quick fill. Oh, and then another Flamco over here. All right. Have I missed anything? Of course I have, but I can't catch it all, can I? There's another pump up there. And those are the trays for the cables. It's pretty cool. I like that. I'm glad that there's nothing in front of your face as you're walking. You know, sometimes you hear and then all of a sudden there's something right here in front of you to knock you out. I haven't seen anything like that. Easy things to knock you out in here. So they did put some effort into it. There's access behind the boilers to work on as well. It's a nice big plant room. And then look, there's nothing here to knock my head on as I'm going through. Sometimes you've got pipes that they don't consider that you need to walk through. I like that about this plant room. It looks like some serious cable here, like some serious armored cable going over there. In fact, what have they done there? There's no tray on the corner where it's bent, okay, but I thought they would have tried to bend, have a tray there on the corner of the electrics. And then you've got the massive cable ties on there. A box they've done here, done their little cuts and put their corner. That's nice. Thermal link, PRVs for each boiler. A connection up there. Oh, this is moving a bit. I'm surprised this is moving so much. And we've got a bit of a corner missing there. Okay, not too bad. I thought this would be a bit more rigid than floating all over the place. What else is weird inside here? Gas pipe looks clipped well, huge as well. And there's the CHP gas pipe. What else we got inside here? I mean, I think this looks like a good plant room. I like it. What's this? Vetronic 300K. What do you guys know about these? This one doesn't seem to have any issues. You're telling me it looks like a boiler sequencer, but it's quite complicated, like by the looks of things. But I haven't worked on them. Have you worked on them? Tell me something about them. All right. I hope that has helped. Flow switch up there. The valves, crane valves, crane again, they like their crane. This is a different type of valve, I think. I think it's called SF something, I don't know what that is. It's just like an earth clamp or something like that. Okay. On the bellows. So that the metal, oh, that's, I've not really noticed that, you know. Have you seen those before? Earth clamp on bellows to continue there, like continuity there. Interesting. I've never recognized that before. Have you? That's pretty cool. If you open up your eyes and look, there's so much to see at times, aren't there? Plant rooms are so complicated, and then we've got the valves there, gate valves, pretty high up. But this plant room's not too bad. I like that it's big and spacious, and it's not too dusty. There's a drain there, that's quite important. I don't know where the fire alarms are. There's one up there. And then these butterfly valves, and more over there. It's a decent plant room, and tapping points up there. They've got a few little tapping and drain off points. All right, this full code says 1EB. I wonder what that is. I'm gonna have to look it up. Okay, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this walk around this plant room. I hope it's helped you. I hope you haven't gotten too bored. Remember, if you're watching these videos, you can increase the playback speed, and you can skip the bits that you prefer if you want. Sometimes there's things that you can take in from them that you didn't know. Every plant room I go into, I learn something new. I open up my eyes and I look around, and we're never too experienced to, oh, here's a knockoff button here. We're never too, I don't know what it says, RAAS, RAS, RAAS, I don't know what that's all about. Fire extinguishers. We're never too clever or too experienced to learn anything new. We may see something we've not all been to every single plant room on the planet, have we? And then here's the, I don't know why they build these. I think it's to do with flooding or something like that. Why do they build these in plant rooms, these little steps? Is that to do with something to do with flooding, or to keep the boilers safe when there's a flood, or the mechanical equipment? It would make sense, wouldn't it? If you put those equipments there, and they paint the floor a particular color for a reason. Gonna try and spend some time in another video going into details why they paint things a certain color, why they put these here. I want to talk to you in some other videos about plant room design. Okay, watch this space. Until next time, bye.